Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the receiver model and firmware so settings match the network. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, power the receiver and enable its Wi-Fi or WPS mode from the settings menu. Make sure to choose 4 GHz if range matters versus 5 GHz for speed, and keep the receiver 3 to 5 meters from the router to avoid initial signal drop. You should have the SSID and password ready, and any PIN or 2FA code accessible for seamless entry. You now select the correct SSID from the receiver's Wi-Fi list, making sure not to pick a similarly named network, which causes repeated failures. Next, enter the password exactly and, if available, toggle the password display to verify characters and case, since a single wrong character blocks access. If you prefer WPS, press the router's WPS button within 2 minutes and watch the receiver pairing indicator. This automates credential exchange, but requires physical access to the router for security. You finish by confirming the router's DHCP is enabled so the receiver gets an IP automatically. Check the receiver's network status to see its assigned address. Once connected, test internet access by streaming or running a network test. If there's no connectivity, restart the receiver and router, then try again. If problems persist, reset the receiver's Wi-Fi settings, move it closer to the router to rule out signal issues, and make sure firmware is up to date. One of these steps usually resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.